on the break on the fence. I like to walk on the dirt trails. It's better on your knees than walking on pavement or concrete. So this is the Albuquerque side of the Rio Grande Bosque. It's an okay area, but since it's closer to the city, it tends to be a little bit rougher. A lot of people bring crazy dogs out here and they don't have them on a leash. And so I've had some friends get attacked by pit bulls and stuff like that, and so I avoid areas that are dangerous, and I think it's more dangerous here than other places where you have the wild animals. I don't think I'll be hiking too much today, not on this area.